Hi, you just called me. Don't you remember me?
No, I don't.
Oh, you just spoke to me. It's Harry Nelson.
I haven't spoken to anybody in about an hour and a half. Are you the one who threatened to send the authorities to my house?
No.
Okay. So I don't understand why you guys are still calling me.
I never called you. I don't know. Might be my department.
Okay, then why is
Did your case resolve it?
No, I don't. Why? What case? That's what. Nobody will explain what case is against me.
Okay, so I believe I'm speaking to Stephanie, right? Stephanie Royer.
Correct.
Okay, Stephanie, can you please confirm your zip code?
It's 14450.
All right, that's correct. Okay, Stephanie, do you have a pen and paper in your handy? As I wanted to write down some important information.
Okay.
Okay, so you're ready? You're ready?
Yes.
All right. My name is Officer Harry Nelson, and my badge ID is GS9930.
Okay.
Okay, and your case ID number is D as in Delta, A as in Charlie, 1928. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can you repeat your case ID number?
D as in Delta, C as in Charlie, 1928.
That is correct. Okay, we called you to ascertain your attorney's information as there is a legal allegation and a lawsuit is filed against you by the Internal Revenue Service. So are you aware of this situation?
No, because nothing was sent to me by mail like should be done by the IRS.
Okay, let me tell you, there were already 2 legal notices sent at your mailing address, okay? Because there was no one to sign it for, the notices bounced back to your headquarters.
Okay.
So I'll read out the legal charges against your name, but before I do that, make sure you do not interrupt me, and I'll give you a fair time to speak, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now as per the documents, we conducted an audit on your taxes filed for the year 2012 to the year 2014, and we found there was a major miscalculation done while filing your taxes, either by you or by a tax person.
Okay.
So the taxes that you filed was incorrect as per the IRS procedure. So according to section 7201, that amount is still outstanding against your name, which you have not paid. For this reason, the local authorities with an arrest warrant will come at your place. Your driver license will be cancelled and everything under your name, your property and your bank accounts will be seized. You'll also face federal imprisonment for up to 5 years. Now the total amount outstanding against your name is $5,896. This includes your pending taxes, legal charges and late fees. Now may I ask you, Stephanie, was it done intentionally or was it a mistake?
Well, obviously it wasn't intentional, and I mean, how do I get this resolved?
Okay, as you're telling me it was a mistake, I have 2 options for you. Either you go to the Federal Courthouse of Washington, D.C. along with your criminal attorney and fight the case against IRS, or you can resolve this matter outside the courthouse. What do you want to do? Do you want to resolve this case or you want to fight the case against IRS?
What do you mean by resolve it outside of the courthouse?
Okay, let me tell you that all your payments options have been closed, okay? So you cannot go ahead and make such payments, any such payments, okay? All your bank account, debit cards, and credit cards are under the IRS radar, okay?
Okay, so what does that mean?
Okay, so you want to resolve this case, right?
Right, but if you're telling me my bank accounts are seized, how can I do that?
No, that's not seized. They are under the IRS radar, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you're willing to pay the outstanding amount to the Internal Revenue Service, right? On an immediate basis, correct?
Right, but how would I do that? Are you looking for like a credit card number or a bank account number?
No, I don't any of your any of your details, okay? So do you have the outstanding amount with you right now?
$5,896, correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, am I able to talk now? I just have a quick question.
Sorry?
Am I able to speak now? You asked me to not interrupt you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so how come an hour ago it was 2010 to 2014 and it was $8,000 that I owed you? And if you were really wait, no. Harry, I'm gonna ask you to not interrupt me now. Because if you were truly calling from the government, you would know that my name and address have changed. And I am no longer Stephanie Royer, and I no longer live at 34 Chadwick Manor. And if you were really the IRS, you would know my current address to send those notifications to. So, how much are you getting paid to call repeatedly and scam American people?
$10,000 per week.
Ooh, that's pretty good. So, money to be piece of shit is totally worth it, right?
Yeah.
Good. Well, I'm glad to hear that. So, I'm going to go ahead and block you guys again and continue to harass you in the same manner that you harass me and keep calling
Why
repeatedly.
you keep fucking calling us? If you know it's a scam, why you keep fucking calling us?
Oh, well, to be honest, it's because I really wanted to get one more phone call on camera so I can report you, that's all.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously, I recorded this whole call on video and audio.
Oh, alright. You can do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Okay, let me
Just
tell you.
say hi, Harry, I'm a piece of shit. Have a good night.
Hey,